In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Miro Marketplace to find apps for your board. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and get back to your work quickly. First, open your web browser and head to Miro. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your dashboard. You should see your recent boards and any teams or workspaces you're part of. This makes it easy to jump into the exact place where you want to enhance your workflow. Next, open the Miro board where you plan to use an app. This matters because some tools are easier to discover and connect when you're inside a board. Once your board loads, look to the left side of the screen for the toolbar. Find the plus icon there. This icon is your gateway to adding content and discovering new tools. Click it, and in the menu that appears, select Marketplace. This takes you to the central hub where you can browse and search for apps that integrate directly with Miro. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar to type the name of the app you're looking for or a keyword that describes what you need, like as diagramming, tasks, or data. You'll see results populate with app cards that include brief descriptions and key details. Take a moment to open an apps page to understand what it does, how it works with your boards, and any requirements it might have. This is also a great place to confirm whether the app is compatible with your plan and workspace settings. If you're part of an organization, keep in mind that some integrations may be managed by an admin, and availability can depend on your permissions. As you explore, think about your workflow and choose tools that will actually save you time. For example, if you collaborate with a specific project management platform or need better visualization of data, searching for those exact needs will narrow your options quickly. If the search doesn't show what you expect, try alternative keywords or check your spelling. Once you've located the app you want, you're right where you need to be to move forward within the marketplace. Your board remains open in the background, so you can return to it and start using your chosen tool as soon as you're ready. That's it. By going to Miro, opening your board, clicking the plus icon, and selecting Marketplace, you've reached the place to find and connect the apps that fit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to continue from here.